Hello everyone, my name is GMK with Tech Eye MediaGh, and in this particular tutorial I want to take you through how you can make calls. You can make a voice call or make call for a lesser cost. What I mean by that, or how you can make a very cheap call by subscribing to the following on MTN. It's very easy, it's very simple. Just sit, relax, and then watch this particular tutorial to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then turn on the notification button as well. So what you are going to do is that, first of all, what you do is you need to activate what you call free after one MTN Nkomode in the first place. So just key in *550# and then you dial it. So welcome to MTN offer. So then you go for option 6. Go for option 6. Dial it. And then welcome to MTN free after one. Choose an option below. So I'll choose the first one in order to activate it. So I'll choose option 1, confirm. Okay, you are already subscribed for the service. So if you haven't done that, which means I have already subscribed to this. So now that you are done with that, quickly you have to activate for mashup as well. With a combination of these two, you are able to make call for a full-blown 1 hour, and MTN will deduct just less than 30 pesos, or less than 30 pesos. So let's look at the second option, or the second one. What you have to do, key in *567# and then you dial it. Select option 1. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We need your support to get this pushing. Option 1 as well, mash up for self. Choose option 1, and then this time I'll select one of the following. We have 1, which is 1 Ghana cedi, and then 2, enter amount. There is a range for it. So what we are going to do is this: we have it ranging from 0.07 pesos to 4.99 Ghana cedis. So I'll go for option 2 because that is where I can get my preferred option. Now enter amount to buy your preferred bundle. Enter amount to buy your preferred bundle. So I have here, I only want 10 pesos. So I key in 0.10, dial it. So I'll select your preferred option 1, 2.5 megabytes. So go for option 1. Go for option 1. So airtime. Choose airtime. Congrats, you have purchased a mashup of this. That is 0.1, which is 10 pesos, to be used for all network plus free WhatsApp. When you do this, they give you free SMS units. They give you an amount that is a data bundle, and then there's also a voice being given to you. So I'm now going to check *124# Let's have a look at something. Good. So this is what I have in my account. I have 1 Ghana cedis, 30 pesos, and then the SMS blue voice 5 minutes just for you. Internet bundle they've added as well to it. Let me have a look at something. What is going to happen is that when I call, take into consideration what I have here. what is going to happen is that when I call, I can even talk with the person for 1 hour, and MTN will not do that from my main account. Just follow the steps, do same, and come back. Kindly leave a comment. If it doesn't work, let me know. But what is going to happen is that after every call, you ought to, or you need to, do a mashup of 10 pesos, and that is when they will not be deducting from your main account, or they will deduct as low as 10 pesos from it when you have made a call for 1 hour. Imagine your own self, making call for 1 hour on MTN, and you see how much they will deduct. So it has really helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then turn on the notification bell as well for subsequent videos. The name remains GMK with Tech Eye MediaGh. We love you all our subscribers. God bless you all. Please leave a comment below. Yeah, bye.